Hello students, today we are going to learn about another genetic disorder, that is color blindness. Now this color blindness is also a Mendelian disorder, and this Mendelian disorder is present on sex chromosome, that is on X chromosome. So color blindness is again a Mendelian disorder. The gene is it is because of the mutation in the gene, and it is present on the X gene, X sex chromosome, and it is sex-linked recessive disorder. Now, this disorder is due to defect in either red or green cone of eyes. In 10th standard, you had learned about the structure of the eyes, detailed structure of eye, where you learned that there are rods and cone cells in the eyes, and cone cells are responsible for the color sensation. So, if the red and green cones of eyes are defected, then the result would be the person is not able to discriminate between red and green color. So when you are going for these color blindness tests, you must have gone for these tests, eye test. They will show you one picture where the green dots are there and something is written with red, or they will show you red dots or something is written with green. So basically the color blindness term is the term for the disorder where the person is not able to discriminate between red and green color. If the person is not able to sense any color, that is called total color blindness. The term is different for that. This color blindness disorder is when the person is not able to discriminate between red and green color, and this is due to defect in the either red or green cone of eye, resulting in the failure of discriminating between red and green color. Now, this defect is due to mutation in certain genes present in the X chromosome. And this disorder is present, occurs in about 8% of the males and only 0.4% of females. The reason is obvious, because it is present on the X chromosome and it is recessive trait. So if females are having 2X, so if the females are homozygous recessive, then only they will show this color blindness. Otherwise, if they are heterozygous, the dominant character will express itself. So the females are not color blindness. There are only 0.4% of the females which are color blind. Males, the mothers are the carriers, and mothers are passing that X chromosome to the sons, to their sons. So that's why, because if it is the child is a baby boy, then the contribution from mother is X chromosome and contribution from father is Y chromosome. So the mothers are the carriers, because if the mother is having, even if she is heterozygous, she is carrier. She is not affected, but she is carrier. So she can pass that recessive gene to the son, and that son would be affected because the son is having only one X chromosome. So the daughter can only be colorblind if her mother is carrier and father is colorblind. Father is colorblind, that means father is having X with the gene for the color blindness, and mother is carrier, that means mother is heterozygous, so one dominant and one recessive. If both recessive comes into the daughter, then the daughter would be affected by this disorder, that is color blindness. Now see this is what the color, this is color blind male. So color blind male is denoted by this color, orange, peach color, and this yellow color is for normal. So when a normal male marries with a carrier female, this female is carrier, and because this is heterozygous and she is having that X gene. Now suppose that X chromosome, and suppose that X chromosome comes into this son and this son also. So both would be affected because the father has to contribute only Y for the sons. So both would be affected. The sons would be affected. And the daughter is not affected because daughter is getting 1X from father and 1X from mother. And in this case, she is not even carrier because she has got the dominant gene. Now, if there is, this is not the daughter, this is not their daughter, this is, these two are the sons, and if affected male is getting married to a normal female which is not even carrier, the result, the probability is that the daughter would be carrier and the son would be normal. The son would be normal and daughter is carrier. So this is the pedigree which shows the probability of having color blindness in children. If one case is when the father is not affected, father is not color blind, normal, and the second is when the father is affected, mother is carrier and mother is normal. Now see this. This is X plus is normal and C is with color blindness. So she is a carrier, normal father. So what would be the result? X plus, normal daughters. X plus Y, normal sons. XC plus, carrier daughters. And XCY, color blind sons. So probability is 25%. Normal daughters, carrier, normal sons, carrier daughters, and color blind sons. And this is the case when mother is carrier. This is the case when mother is carrier and father is normal. So this is about the color blindness.